Hi everyone, hi, welcome to a new painting video. I have not uploaded for a couple of weeks. It has a reason. I will probably send out a newsletter about that. So if you haven't signed up for my newsletter, you can do so in the description. I've been working on a neutral collection, and this is the first painting that I made for that collection. I will get the second one. This is the second painting of the collection, and I want this collection to have 6 paintings, and I want a couple of square neutral paintings. So today I will be working on that. So let's get started. I will do it a little bit different. I have here the residue water from this painting, and let me just drop that here. Let's add some white to that and make a background. Alright, very subtle colored background. Let's do that. I will drop some Titan green here. Some red oxide on top of that. So this is just straight out of the jars, or the bottles I must say. Come on. No, I don't have a lot of that color. Yeah. Let's keep it light. Yeah. Let's take a brush. If you want to know what brushes I use and what tools I use, I have an art supply, a free art supply list. You can also download that in the description. Alright, let's get started and just make some nice brush strokes and create kind of a composition here. Just blending that a little here. Let's blend that here in total. Let's add some other colors on my brush, and this process is very intuitive. Transparent brown, a bit of Jenkins, no, sap green. You know what, this part, that could be blended too. That would be more beautiful, I guess. This way it matches a lot better there. Really enjoying this flow so far. So we're off to a great start. Okay, so far this looks quite cool, doesn't it? Talking about that part. This. Let's just wet that. And also go with the brush, the big brush over that part. Let's go with some white, shall we? Yeah. Some white here. You know, the trick is to not mess it up and to fill it up. To fill it up and not mess it up. That's the trick. Okay, first I'm working with the white quite a lot now, and then I need to see if I can add some more contrast. I feel like this one is lacking a little bit of contrast. Let's add some yellow here. Yeah. Some yellow. We need some yellow. Well, that's not a lot of yellow, but I like it. All right, let's go for the yellow again. Beautiful. It's a beautiful flower now up there, isn't it? The contrast is not really here in this painting. But we do miss a little bit contrast, don't we? Or is this enough? Because the flower has quite some contrast. Maybe if I make the stem quite dark, like going from here. Or maybe the thing is that there's quite a lot of light brush strokes and one darker, which is perfect there. Don't mind these drops, by the way, I think they're lovely. But if this part was lighter, I think this would come off the surface a little bit more. What do you think? So, do I do that? Okay, I feel like this painting is done for now. It took me quite long. It really took me long. Yeah, I'll let it dry and I'll be back with the end result.